Sunni law is one of the main schools of Muslim law. Sunni law is the most widely followed school of Muslim law. It is followed by the majority of Muslims, especially in India. Sunni law is based on the Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and Qiyas and governs personal matters like marriage, divorce and inheritance. Sunni law developed due to different interpretations of Islamic sources by Muslim jurists. To explain and apply Islamic law, several schools of Sunni law came into existence. Meaning of Sunni law. Sunni law is that branch of Muslim law which is followed by Sunni Muslims. It is based on the following sources: Quran, Hadith, Ijma, Qiyas. Sunni law is considered more flexible because it accepts Qiyas, analogy. Subschools of Sunni law. Sunni law is divided into four main subschools, based on the teachings of different Muslim jurists. These schools are Hanafi, Shafi, Maliki, Hanbali. Hanafi school. The Hanafi school is the oldest and most widely followed Sunni school. Hanafi school was founded by Imam Abu Hanifa. It is the most widely followed school in India. Hanafi school is based on the Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and Qiyas. It gives great importance to individual reasoning and analogy. Analogy, also called Qiyas, means applying an existing rule of law to a new situation by comparing it with a similar case already decided. When there is no clear rule in the Quran or Hadith, scholars use Qiyas to find a solution by logical reasoning. Hanafi school is known for its flexible approach and is the most liberal and flexible school. Courts in India mainly apply Hanafi law. Shafi school. The Shafi school is one of the four main schools of Sunni Muslim law. It was founded by Imam Shafi. This school gives great importance to the Hadith and follows a systematic method of interpretation. The Shafi school is followed in countries like Egypt, Indonesia, and in some parts of India. The Shafi school makes very little use of personal opinion. Unlike the Hanafi school, it does not rely much on individual reasoning. This makes the Shafi school more strict and systematic in applying Muslim law. Maliki school. The Maliki school is known for giving importance to local customs. Maliki school was founded by Imam Malik. It is followed mainly in Africa. Maliki school is based on the practices of the people of Medina. Maliki school gives importance to customs and traditions. It is less flexible than Hanafi school. Hanbali school. The Hanbali school is the most strict subschool of Sunni schools. Hanbali school was founded by Imam Ahmed bin Hanbal. It is followed mainly in Saudi Arabia. Hanabi schools are very strict and conservative. It relies mainly on the Quran and Hadith. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Sunni school of Muslim law is divided into four subschools: Hanafi, Shafi, Maliki, and Hanbali. All these schools are based on the Quran and Hadith but differ in their methods of interpretation. The Hanafi school is the most flexible as it widely uses Qiyas, while the Hanbali school is the strictest school as it relies mainly on the Quran and Hadith. The Shafi and Maliki schools are less flexible than Hanafi schools. Thus, these schools help in the proper application of Sunni Muslim law and govern the personal and family matters of Sunni Muslims. Hanafi school is known for its flexible approach and is the most liberal and flexible school. Courts in India mainly apply Hanafi law. Thus, the four Sunni schools differ in interpretation but follow the same Islamic principles.